Hello students, now again I welcome you in this video. In this video I'm going to take up remaining questions of your chapter 1, that is GST. So now I think I have solved up till question number 9th. Now I will move to question number 10. So in question number 10, uh, the printed price of article is given, so your MP is equal to 50,000 and wholesaler allows a discount of, so discount of 10%. I will write it as D1 because there are, okay, okay, so this is your discount. Now, so first I will calculate discount. So discount is equals to 50,000 into 10 upon 100. So this 100 will get cancelled out, so it will become 5,000. So this is your discount. So now your selling price will be 50,000 minus 5,000. So what will you get is 45,000. So that is your selling price. Okay. So now shopkeeper sells the article to a discount to a customer 4% above the marked price. So which means ये जो सेलिंग प्राइस है ये बेसिकली जो होलसेलर ने दिया है, sorry, this selling price is for the wholesaler, so I will write this as SP1. Now I will move to the next page and now question says that जो हमारा शॉपकीपर है वो कस्टमर को जो सेल करता है वो 4% above the marked price है. So selling price for, I will write SP2. So SP2 means selling price for the, so SP2 means selling price for the shopkeeper. So here 50,000. First we will calculate 4% of 50,000 and then we'll add this in 50,000. So 0, 50,000 plus 2,000, so it will become 52,000 rupees. So this is the selling this is the selling price for the shopkeeper. So now if sales are intra state, मतलब जो भी हमारा सेल्स हुआ है वो विद इन अ स्टेट हुआ है and rate of GST is given, so GST is your 18%. Now we will start calculating different things. So moving to the first part of this particular question, in first part you have to calculate amount inclusive of tax which shopkeeper pays for the article. So now what we'll do is we go for the SP1 बिकॉज शॉपकीपर के लिए जो हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस था वो 45,000 था. सो इस पे आपको GST लगाना है 18% का. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट amount, I will just write amount. When you write these questions in the copy, you have to write amount paid by the shopkeeper. I'm just writing amount just because I have to reduce the size of the video as well. So 45,000, इस पे हमारा 18% GST लग रहा है. ये तो हमारा GST हो गया. दिस होल थिंग इज GST एंड प्लस जो प्लस रहेगा 45,000. So both zeros will get cancelled. 18 5s are 18 zeros are 0, 18 5s are 90, 18 4s are 72, and it will become 82, and this is your 45,000. Okay, so it will be 81,000, not 82. So when we add this, we get 53,100. So this is the required value for the first part of this particular question. Now moving ahead, we will solve second part of this particular question. So second part says we have to calculate amount paid by the customer for the article. Now again, so जो हमारा customer के लिए SP था वो I think it was 52,000. I have written, so आई हैव टू ऐड वन मोर ज़ीरो. सो जो कस्टमर के लिए सेलिंग प्राइस था वो हमारा 52,000 था. सो GST हमें जो भी लगाना है, वी हैव टू अप्लाई GST ऑन 52,000. सो अगेन I will write amount. You have to write amount for the shopkeeper. So it will be 52,000 plus 52,000 into 18 upon 100. So now I will get 52,000 plus 18 0 0, 18 2 are 36, 18 5 are 90, and 93. So when you solve this, you get 61360. Now remember one thing, this is your output GST. Output GST means GST on the selling price, and this 8100 is your input GST. These are two things which you need to remember, because in the further calculation we need all these values. Okay, now moving to the third part. In third part, you have to calculate amount of tax paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. Okay, so question part third says you have to calculate tax paid by the shopkeeper to the central government. Okay, so basically, so now we have to calculate GST paid by the shopkeeper and to the central government. Okay, so since all these things are intra-state, so central government का मतलब वो जो भी टैक्स देगा उसका हाफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को देगा एंड हाफ उसका स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को जाएगा. ओके, सो इसको निकालने के बेसिकली हमारे पास दो तरीके हैं. पहला तो विल राइट GST by shopkeeper. Okay, I'm finding it difficult to write actually with this touch pen. GST by shopkeeper, and you have to assume that this GST is gone to the central government. So value added, इसका जो तरीका होता है निकालने का, वैल्यू एडेड into half of the GST rate 9% upon 100. सो हाफ ऑफ द GST रेट का मतलब क्या हो गया कि टोटल अगर जो 18% जैसे कि इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है, सो यू हैव टू गो विद द 9%. अगर जो टोटल GST पूछा होता मीन्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट उसने मेंशन नहीं करा होता, सो हम टोटल मतलब जो रेट हमारा यहाँ पे हम 18% रखते. ओके, so now we will see how to calculate value added. Okay, now you see that SP2 selling price for the shopkeeper is 52,000 and selling price for the wholesaler was 45,000. so इसका मतलब जो शॉपकीपर ने खरीदा था 45,000 का, 45,000 का, एंड सेल कर रहा है 52,000 में, इसका मतलब जो शॉपकीपर ने वैल्यू ऐड करी है वो आपका हुआ 7,000. so I hope these things will becoming clear to you, because upon 100, so it will reduce two zeros, so it will become 630 rupees. Now second method is, again I will calculate the GST. so uska jo tarika hota hai, we will write output minus input. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट GST अपॉन 2, बिकॉज वो बेसिकली हमारा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की बात हो रही है. सो therefore I am dividing by 2. अगर जो टोटल GST निकालना होता then I will not divide by 2. so output was 39360 and input is 8100 upon 2. so what you will get is 1260 upon 2, that is 630. so this is another way you can calculate the GST paid by the shopkeeper. Okay, now moving to fourth part of this particular question. so fourth part, the amount of tax received by the state government. Okay, so total tax received by the state government. so again I will so now state government or SGST, total SGST, total SGST. When you write all these questions in the copy, you have to write total statement that amount of tax received by the state government. so now you can see that first I have to go for the input. so input GST was 18,100. सो हम क्या करेंगे, 18,100 का हाफ कर लेंगे, बिकॉज दिस टैक्स इज टू बी डिवाइडेड बिटवीन टू सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स. सो जब हम उसका हाफ करेंगे तो हमारा आएगा 4050. You can find all these things at your own also, so I'm not going to calculate too much. And अभी हमने देखा कि ये जो 4050 है ये होलसेलर पे करेगा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को. एंड अभी हमने देखा, हमने निकाला है 630. सो दिस वाज द अमाउंट पेड बाय द शॉपकीपर टू द स्टेट, सॉरी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. सो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को भी वो 630 पे करेगा. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे दो लेवल पे हमारा परचेज एंड बाइंग हुआ है, तो उसका मतलब दिस वाज द टैक्स पेड बाय द wholesaler to the state government, and this is the tax paid by the shopkeeper to the government. Finally, the value becomes 4680 rupees. So this is what your fourth part is. Now I will move to question number 11. Okay, question number 11 says, all these questions are actually difficult to solve, therefore I think video is already uh, become of 11 minutes we have already consumed in the video. I have just solved one question, so hoping you guys will solve more questions. Okay, so now I will discuss the 11th question. So again, the retailer buys a TV 40,000 here, so that means cost price is 40,000. Next, he marks the price of TV 15% above the cost price. Okay, so now I will determine MP. So MP is basically 40,000 plus 40,000 into 15 upon 100. So we will get 46,000 rupees. That is the MP. Now question says he and sells it to a customer at a discount of 5% on the marked price. जो 5% का डिस्काउंट देता है वो मार्क्ड प्राइस पे देता है. सो नाउ आई विल कैलकुलेट MP, sorry, discount. So I will write SP direct. So first I will, SP is equals to MP minus discount. This is the formula. So your MP was 46,000 minus discount 46,000 into 5 upon 100. So what will 46,000 minus 0, 5 6 are 30, 23. So it will become, I think when you subtract all this, it will become 43,700. I hope all the calculations are correct. So this is what your selling price is. Okay, now okay, we come to the question, and the rate of GST is 12%. So MP of the TV. So MP I had already calculated. This is your first part. I think I have already answered. This is your first part of this particular question. This is your required MP. Okay, now moving to the next part. So this is your SP, selling price. Okay, so first part is amount which customer pays for the TV. अब देखिए ये जो SP हमने निकाला है फाइनली, दिस इज द SP फॉर द कस्टमर. सो कस्टमर पे जो भी GST लगेगा वो इसी SP पे लगेगा. सो amount paid by the customer, again I am writing amount. This is your second part. Now your second part comes as so amount is equals to, now I will look for the 43,700. So उस पे GST लगेगा 1200 का. 43,700 into 12 upon 100 plus 43,700. So when you calculate this, it will become, I think this is, now when you calculate this particular thing, it will become 5244. Okay, 5 2, this is your 4 and this is your 4 plus 43700. So it will become 48 944 rupees. That is your amount which is paid, consumer pays for the TV. Now, amount of tax paid by the retailer to the central government. Again, all the sales are intrastate. So now again, ये जो टैक्स आप देख सकते हैं, this tax is given by the customer. So this is your output tax. This is your output tax. Okay, now I will calculate amount of tax paid by the retailer to the government. Okay, so question, part third. So again, tax is equals to अगर जो मैं वैल्यू एडेड वाले तरीके से निकालूं, सो आप देख सकते हैं कि टोटल वैल्यू उसने कितने की ऐड करी है. सो I think total value added by the retailer is, okay, I will, अब देखें यहाँ पे आप, रिटेलर के लिए जो कॉस्ट प्राइस था वो 40,000 था, एंड रिटेलर ने जो सेलिंग प्राइस करा है वो 3700, सो विच मीन्स वैल्यू एडेड बाय द रिटेलर इज इक्वल्स टू 3700. 3700 into सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का पूछ रहा है, सो इट विल बिकम हाफ अपॉन 100. So both zeros will get cancelled. 6 sevens are 42 and 6 threes are 18 and 422. So this is the tax paid by the retailer to the central government. Next, amount of tax received by the state government. So now first I will calculate input tax. So amount of tax is equals to दिस 222 प्लस, बिकॉज अगर जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को इतना जाता है देन स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को भी ये 222 मिल रहा होगा. सो नाउ वी हैव 222 प्लस इनिशियली जो 40,000 था into 6 upon 100. This is the tax paid by the wholesaler to the state government. Now when you add all this, you get 2622. So this is your required answer. Okay. Now, so question number 11 is over. Now I'm increasing my speed a bit because video is getting too longer. Now I will move to question number 12. Okay, now question number 12. Your CP is 12,000. MP will be equal to 12,000 plus 12,000 का हमें क्या निकालना है, 25 upon 100. So it will become 1 upon 4. So when we solve, we get MP as 15,000. Okay, now moving ahead. So now अब जो वो डिस्काउंट देता है वो 15% का डिस्काउंट आई थिंक वो MP पे दे रहा है. सो नाउ आई विल कैलकुलेट डिस्काउंट. So discount is equals to 15,000 into 15 upon 100. So sorry, discount is of 10%, so it will become 1500. So now SP1 selling price 1 will become 13,500. आपको subtract करना पड़ेगा 15,000 में से 1500, so you will get 13,500. now वो एडिशनल 5% का डिस्काउंट दे रहा है जो हमारा रिमेनिंग अमाउंट है. सो आई विल कैलकुलेट एडिशनल डिस्काउंट. सो आई विल राइट ADD एंड डिस्काउंट इज इक्वल्स टू 13,500 into 5 upon 100. So it will become 675 rupees. So finally SP new is equals to 13,500 माइनस 675, सो ये आपका आ जाएगा 12,825 रुपीज़. ओके, GST is 12%. So now I will calculate the first part. So first part I have to calculate price inclusive of tax which consumer pays for the TV. अभी consumer basically जो पे करेगा वो हमारा जो final सेलिंग प्राइस निकल के आ रहा है 1285 पे, आपको 12% का GST लगाना होगा कस्टमर के लिए. सो नाउ अमाउंट आई विल डायरेक्टली राइट okay, first I will calculate GST paid by the customer. GST paid by the customer. Keep writing on the copy because if you try to write all these things later after seeing the video, you won't be able to write. So just keep writing on the copy. 100. So on solving you get 1539. I'm not taking care of the calculations. I think you people will take care of this. Now, so your this is your GST, and this is, I again remind you all, this is your output GST. Customer on the GST on the selling price is always output GST. Okay. Now your amount becomes 12,825 plus 1539, 14,364. This is your amount. Now I will move to question number amount of tax paid by the shopkeeper to the state government. Again I will go for the tax by shopkeeper to the state government. So rate अपने आप हाफ हो जाएगा. So again I will write value added into 6/100. So वैल्यू एडेड हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे आप देख सकते हैं. सो इनिशियल जो हमारा कॉस्ट प्राइस था वो 12,000 था, एंड उसने जो सेलिंग प्राइस न्यू सेलिंग प्राइस आया है वो 12,825. इसका मतलब जो वैल्यू ऐड हुई है वो 825 की ऐड हुई है. सो 825 into 6/100. So I will get 49.5 rupees. So this is the amount of tax paid by the government. And second thing, in the second way we can also calculate, we have to calculate output tax, which I had already calculated. This is your 1539 इज योर आउटपुट टैक्स. इनपुट टैक्स आप कहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करोगे 12,000 का 12% निकाल के. सो दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्ट करके बाई 2 करेंगे, देन अगेन यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट. सो नाउ मूविंग टू द third part of the question, amount of tax received by the central government. Okay, now this is an interesting thing, how to calculate this particular thing. So पहले जो total GST या मैं बोलूँ, okay, amount of tax received by the central government, you will write this statement in your copy, and I will just calculate the things. So पहला तो ये 49.5 ये हमारा कौन पे करेगा, दिस टैक्स इज पेड बाय द शॉपकीपर. एंड जो होल सेलर है वो क्या करेगा 12, ये जो आपका 12,000 है उस पर उसको कितना टैक्स मिलेगा 6% का, बिकॉज ऑल द सेल्स आर इंटर स्टेट. सो 12.5, एंड जब आप इसको कैलकुलेट करोगे सो इट विल बिकम 720. सो योर फाइनल टैक्स 769.6. दिस इज योर required answer for the part third. Now moving to question number 13. Question number 13, the printed price of an article is 40,000, printed or MP is 40,000, discount 10%, so which means discount is of 4,000. So your SP1 becomes 40,000 का जब आप 10% कैलकुलेट करोगे 4,000 आएगा, सब सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, सो आपका आ जाएगा 36,000, दैट इज 36,000. सो दिस इज योर. नाउ क्वेश्चन सेज जो हमारा होलसेलर था, उसने जो एक रिटेलर को बेचा है वो अबव द 5% अबव द प्रिंटेड प्राइस है। सो SP2 कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम? एक सो SP2 इज इक्वल्स टू, प्रिंटेड प्राइस हमारा 40,000 था एंड 40,000 का हमें कितना कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा? 5%. So when we solve this particular equation we get 42,000. So that is what, ये आपका SP1 था, that is selling price for the wholesaler and that is the selling price for the customer. So अगर जो मैं बोलूँ कि रिटेलर ने कितनी वैल्यू ऐड करी तो वो 6,000 की होगी, बिकॉज दिस वैल्यू एडेड will come into the play. Now GST rate is given as 18%. Amount of inclusive tax paid by the wholesaler for the article. Now wholesaler कितना टैक्स पे करेगा? So first, tax by wholesaler is equals to, okay, now one important thing to note here is that wholesaler is from Uttar Pradesh and manufacturer in Gujarat, so it will become a interstate ट्रांजैक्शन, बेसिकली हमारा इंटर स्टेट हो गया। सो इसका मतलब यहाँ पे जो भी टैक्स लगेगा वो डायरेक्ट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को जाएगा। सो विल कैलकुलेट IGST। ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट IGST। सो 36,000 इंटू, एंड यहाँ पे रेट हमारा हाफ नहीं होगा बिकॉज IGST पूरा का पूरा सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को जाएगा। सो 2 zeros will get cancelled, so solving we get 6480. So this is the tax this total tax will go to the central government. Now I will calculate amount. So your amount A is equals to 36,000, that was your selling price, plus 6480. So you get the value is equals to 42480. Now I am leaving all these calculations to you because I hope all of you can solve. So now 6480, this is your input GST. Now second part, amount of inclusive tax paid by the retailer for the article. So अब हम देखेंगे रिटेलर पे कितना हमें टैक्स लगा है. So now second part, we enter in the second part. So IGST for retailer, because all these transactions are interstate. So retailer के लिए जो selling price था हमारा 4200 in fact into 18/100, so it will become 7560. So this is the IGST for the retailer. Now I will calculate amount. So okay, now take the screenshot because I have to delete this particular all these slides. So now amount is equals to 4200 plus 7560, so it will become 49560. so that is your amount. Now third part, again IGST by the wholesaler, so it is again equal to the value added. So you can easily find out the value added because this is your SP1, selling price 1, and this is your selling price 2, so which means value added is 6,000. So here we have to calculate that value added is 6,000 into tax is 18% because all things are interstate, so it will become 1080. Now fourth part, in the fourth part it asks about the amount of tax received by the central government. So total tax received by the central government is equals to input GST, that was 6480 plus 1080. So this is how you can calculate your uh, GST received by the central government, 7560. So this is all for this video. We have discussed 4 questions, but all the questions were lengthy. So with this, now I have discussed all types of questions. So remaining question 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 I leave you to solve. If you have any difficulty in solving all these questions, you can ask me. But students, this is one of the most difficult chapter in your maths book. So please pay attention to this chapter. Okay, thank you.